Banjo Benny.
Hey, thank you.
My pleasure.
Hey, it says happy birthday. I'll take that.
Yeah.
It's not my birthday, but it makes me feel like it is. Happy
Yeah.
birthday.
Every day could be your birthday if you just use your imagination.
That's true.
But it's always special to have your real birthday.
And
Wait a second here.
Wait a second.
Two
Here.
fireys.
Hey, this is another fire truck. See that one? It's a
This is
small
like the
one.
beach fire truck episode.
Whoa.
We've been getting lots of trucks, and you want to know something?
What's that?
I love trucks, and I
Me
love
too.
cars. This is awesome.
Hey,
Hey, you want to know a special secret about that present?
Yeah.
Watch this.
It's got all kinds of little buttons on it.
Push this down here.
Whoa.
Yeah, it drives itself.
That's incredible.
Yeah. It makes a cool little noise too.
Whoa.
Yeah.
We should do a launching thing.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
See if it'll
Let's
launch.
see. I don't know if it has enough pickup.
Ah!
Wait, here we go. Check this out.
Ah! Made it up and over.
Hey,
Hey, that's a doggy truck right there.
what's your name, little fireman?
My name's Fireman Fred.
Hey, another fireman friend.
Another Fireman Fred. There's many of us.
You can't be called fireman. You can't be named fireman without. You can't be a fireman without being named Fred.
That's right.
Yeah. Whoa.